Introducing the Pura White Acrylic Freestanding Bath by local manufacturer Ceramic Industries, as part of their Betta Baths range of bathroomware. Made of strong and durable, yet also lightweight perspex, the Pura bath is highly resistant to scratches, stains, chipping and fading. The non-porous surface also ticks the boxes for ease of maintenance, hygiene and heat retention, making for longer soaks without having to waste water with hot top-ups. Apart from its practical construction, complete with built-in, slimline chrome overflow outlet and back-to-wall orientation combined with curvy good looks, the Pura bath is also an eco-chic decision and comes with Italtile's LiveGreen stamp of approval. The Pura White Acrylic Freestanding Bath is a striking example of streamlined design, strength, durability, affordable luxe, and an overall solid investment. If you're looking for a bath that redefines style and innovation, as well as a bathing experience that's incredibly comfortable and relaxing, then the Pura White Acrylic Freestanding Bath is the one for you. Shop it online or in-store at Italtile.